What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I basically actually am making this video like 20 minutes after last week's video, but that's because, you know, whatever, one video a week, that's just how we do it. So the reason why I'm making this so quick after is because after I got home from making the previous video, I get a notification that some of my new mods have arrived. Now, so they're not like anything crazy, like not coilovers or exhaust or whatever. They're just simple mods, just more visual, and one actually more for safety. So my first mod is I got the Spoon Sports rear view mirror. So I'm excited for this one because my friend with the AP1, he actually has it. And it looks like you just like tape it on top. So, but the nice thing about it is it makes it, it gives you like just more vision overall compared to the stock mirror. And yeah, it looks like you just kind of like put it on. So yeah, it literally comes with so I guess I'm just sticking it on, I guess. Okay, alright, I'm just gonna do it. Getting off the 3M. This is really difficult for some reason. Number 2. Blind. And number 3, there's this blue sticker on the back. I'm not sure what that is, but whatever. Alright, and then I'm just gonna and push. I'm like hearing like cracking and shit. I don't know if I did this correctly. Why does this like seem... I feel like I did this terribly. Oh, god damn it. I just broke it. Well, I don't know. I don't know how these things... Okay, well, alright, well, I broke it. Because I pushed too hard. So I'm gonna have to order another one. Cool. Good job, Law. Well, at least I didn't break the OEM mirror. No instruction. It's like I'm really bad with my hands. Alright, well, there goes that. I'm gonna order another one. This was like 50 bucks. So this is why I'm really bad with my hands. Like, it wasn't fitting on perfectly. And so I was pushing down on one side too much and it broke. Like, I'm OCD about like the weirdest things. This is really annoying. Like, my week is not going good. I have glass everywhere. Okay, alright. I'm gonna order another one, and that's a waste of $50. It's really annoying. I'm gonna install my side markers, and hopefully I don't break these, because that would be really annoying. This is why I get Neil to do everything, because I'm really bad. Like, I'm worse than most people. Like, most people are like, oh no, you know, just like do it yourself, it's so easy. Yeah, that's how I break things. Alright, so screwdriver, I'm gonna go through the fender lining, and then I'm gonna install these the white side markers. So let's go do that right now. Okay. So supposedly it can go through here. So let's probably have to turn the wheel. Okay, yeah, make sure you turn the wheel. And I'm gonna go here. Okay, so I actually removed the top and the bottom one, but I'm really thin, so I could actually reach up and then unplug it right here. And at this point, all we gotta do is basically twist this here to take this out. So like that. Yeah, so that comes off. And then we're gonna get the other one and put that one in. Okay. So we have the new one. Goes like this. And then it should go slanted side this way. right? Oh, I should put this side in first, and then, yeah, like that. Cool. Nice. Awesome. Alright, let's do the other side. Alright guys, I have both side markers installed. I am annoyed about the spoon mirror. I'm really bad. Like, I'm seriously bad at this stuff. Like, this is why I can never work on my car. This is why I don't trust myself to work on my car. Like, something as simple as a mirror that has 3M tape on it that you just push. Like, don't push too hard. Don't do it. And I still did it. So that's annoying. So I have to order another one. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed that install and fail video. Yeah, we'll see you guys next week with another one for the S2000. Almost said BRZ. See you guys.